Welcome back to Old House Life channel. Today we are excited to explore a truly unique and secluded retreat tucked away on a private road where a gated driveway leads to a private cabin that embodies the rustic charm. A second story deck offers stunning views of the land, while an additional large space on the second floor, previously used as a woodworking shop, provides endless possibilities for creativity and exploration. With existing logging trails winding through the diverse timberland, this retreat offers a serene and peaceful escape. Please check out video description for more details. Thank you for watching.